i-ready nyo na yung kanin nyo. Sigurado mapaparami kayo. This is my version of kinamatisang baboy. Sobrang sarap. Like always, madali lang tong gawin at very affordable. Let's begin. Siyempre, unahin natin yung gulay. Food processor natin yung onion and then isunod natin yung kamatis. Pag walang food processor, okay lang, tagtarin nyo. Then, igisa na natin yung bawang, onion, and kamatis. Timplahan ng salt and pepper. Tapos, sautein nyo lang siya hanggang sa maging paste yung texture niya. Then, add the pork and water. Cover hanggang kumulo. Then, simmer until ma-reduce yung water into half. Then, ang panimpla natin is liquid seasoning. Then, allow it to simmer until matuyo at magmantika yung mixture. Ito yung magpapasarap dyan. Kasi dito labas na labas yung lasa nung kamatis at nung bawang. Hindi nyo kailangan timpla ng kahit ano kasi masarap na yan. All you have to do is enjoy and serve it to your family. O, diba ang dali lang? Yun lang. Gawin nyo na yan. See you!